Hi, this is a pretty interesting question on algebra. Let's see what this is. A, B, X, Y are real numbers such that A square plus B square equals 25, X square plus Y square equals 169, and AX plus BY is equal to 165. Okay, what is the value of K if K is equal to AY minus BX? Okay, now A square plus B square is equal to 25, which means A is less than equal to 5, B is also less than equal to 5. Similarly, when you say x square plus y square is equal to 169, x is less than equal to 13, y is also less than equal to 13, right? You cannot have 13 or higher. Now, let's take, the moment you see 25, you say 3 and 4. And when you say 13, you say 5 and 12. That's a Pythagorean triplet. Now, let's see how you can found this. If you take the larger two numbers, 12 into 4 is 48. 5 into 3 is 15. You're only going to get 63. You will not be able to reach 65. Let's increase the number even more. Let's take one of them as equal to 1, right? Let's see how you can get AX. So A will be root of 168. X will be square root of x will be square root of 168. A will be equal to square root of 24. B is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Even now, you're not going to get 65. Even now, you're not going to get 65. You can verify this if you want to. Let's try it using a calculator. So if I take, say, one of the values, the total should be 169, right? If I take one of the values as 1, this will be square root of 169 minus this square, right? If I take again 1, this will be square root of 25 minus this, right? And I will have to multiply this into this. And if I add these two, it still does not reach 65. Now, if I take this as 0.1 and this also as 0.1, even now you are not going to reach 65. The only time I'll reach 65 is if I put 0 here and 0 here. So the other two values should be, one of the values should be 0 and it should be multiplied in such a way, right? Now, given this scenario, right, if I put a is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y should be 13, b should be equal to 5. Now, that is the only time when ax plus by will become 65. Now, the question is, if this is the case, then what will be the value of ay minus bx? Ay will be 0, bx will also be 0, so k will also be 0. Very beautiful question, very nicely made question. You have to just play around with some of the values, maybe use a calculator. This is probably one of the last few questions that you will answer in this particular slot. That completes this one.